Let's take a look at this problem. We got 1/3 x minus 1/4 x is equal to 2, negative 2. That would have been a mistake. Let's go through our 4 steps. Excuse me. First step is get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Second step is get rid of fractions. I do have fractions. And first thing we need to do is find an LCM of 3 and 4, our two denominators. Now our first step over here is to write prime factorization of each one. Well, 3 is prime, so we don't do anything there. For the 4, if I did tree breakdown, start with my first prime, which is 2. It is divisible by 2. 2 times 2. 2's prime, so we circle it, and 2's prime, so we circle it. So we got 2 times 2. Now our LCM, we start with each prime. We start with our first prime, 2, and I'm looking for the greatest number of 2's on any single line. I'm talking about to the right of the equals. Well, there's none here, there's 2 here, so my greatest number of 2's on any single line is 2. Then I'll go to my 3's, and I'm looking for the greatest number of 3's on any single line. There's 1 here, there's none here, so the greatest number of 3's on any single line is 1. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. And step 2 says to how you get rid of the fractions, you multiply everything by the LCM of all your denominators. So we're going to multiply by 12. So take 12 times 1/3 x minus 12 times 1/4 x equals 12 times negative 2. Now when I say multiply by everything, I'm talking about what's separated by pluses, minuses, and equals. That's why I multiply times this fraction, and this number. Now 3 and 12 both divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 and 12 both divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. You know it worked if you got 1's for all of your denominators. Your denominator should disappear. Now 4 times 1 is 4 with an x, minus 3 times 1 is 3 with an x, equals 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. Now our note up at the top says in any step combining like terms. 4x minus 3x is 1x, or just x, equals negative 24. We don't need to do any other steps because x is already by itself, so that's our answer.